Hey, I'm Mike from Eurowise. Today I'm going to talk in more detail about the Alpha-equipped XBravo Beadlock wheel. It is a hybrid wheel, which means you can install the tire the traditional way and also install it in a beadlock configuration on the outside. I'm going to open it up and show you in a little bit more detail. Each wheel will come with a beadlock ring, whether you choose the beadlock ring or the street ring. Okay, so I have the bottom bead. On the wheel, and if you were to run this in a beadlock configuration, you would set the tire in the groove. So you would install the bead ring and then torque everything to spec, and then that would be the beadlock configuration. All right, so now I have it mounted in the street lock configuration, the traditional wheel style, essentially virtually the same as any other standard wheel that's not a beadlock. So I just mounted the tire on this wheel. You can see here I have it mounted the traditional way, which means you would opt for the street lock ring. There is no air in this tire, so it will come up a lot more flush, but this is what it would look like in the traditional configuration. So now I have the tire mounted in a completely traditional configuration. It comes in an ET20, ET25, 5x130, so Cayenne, Touareg, Audi Q7, and Gwagen. It is an 84.1 center bore. We will include the steering rings for the VAG platforms, so just make sure you put those in the notes if you do want the rings.